Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya o.
Important schemes that we have, of course, announced. The first and the very important scheme, sir, which is there, is the scheme for the Chief Minister's Scholarship Scheme, sir. I don't want to go into the name aspect. I've got quite a bit of support to say that we should continue with CM scheme. Am I correct? Most of the House agrees, I hope? Yes. As correctly said, sir, this is not Conrad Moment scheme. Neither is it Charles Maranga scheme. This is the Chief Minister's scheme, and Chief Minister is the head of the government. And it is most appropriate that we move forward in that line. And that's how even central government, sir, works in that line. Having said that, sir, I want to narrate a small story. Story is very simple. I went for a dinner with my family. And my elder daughter, she's 13 years old. Her name is Amara. And she, while we were having food, she just looked at me, and from nowhere, she said, "Papa, you should give scholarship scheme to children." And I was like taken aback. I said, "Where is this coming from?" He said, "No, I think children are facing a lot of difficulty when it comes to scholarship. You should help them." And you believe it or not, sir, that was the beginning of the thought that let's do something. Though, of course, I explained to her and explained to so many people that there is a problem with scholarship that is coming from the central government. I'll take a minute to explain. And the reason, sir, because, and it's not just our state, the whole country faces. And I would like to address the students right now, and I hope you're listening, that these are scholarships that come from Government of India. When Government of India releases the amount, it is immediately given to you in your account. We don't stop it, or we don't do anything to not give it to you, because obviously we want you to get the scheme fast. But there is a sanction process issue in Government of India level, maybe between Tribal Affairs Ministry and Finance Ministry, where the funds don't come on time. And as the funds come and the sanction, they are transferred straight into the account of the beneficiary, which is the students. And through the year, Government of India sanctions these amounts in batches. So 20 crores, 30 crores, 40 crores. And based on that, some students get and some don't get. So I just wanted to clarify to our young students that it is not the state government that is stopping your scholarship. Funds are not coming in from center, because of which there is a delay in the scholarship. Have we pursued this? We have pursued this all the way to the top. And we are pushing Government of India, including Finance Ministry, to release these funds on time. I am hopeful that the next academic year, we should be able to figure out some way to streamline this. If Government of India, Finance Ministry, releases the schemes in one shot to all the students, this problem is solved. The second way for us to solve this problem is, which we do sometimes for other schemes, is for Meghalaya government to give in advance. And I'm happy to do it. I'm happy to do it, sir. Because students need it, and I understand the pressure they go through, and they deserve it, sir. It's not their fault. It's a problem in the central government, so they should not be delayed. So we are happy to pay it. The amount comes to about 160 crores a year. So we can organize those funds. The issue is that once we give to these students, and then after that, Government of India sanctions it, when Government of India sanctions, the funds go straight into the student's account, which means they will get from us in advance, and they will get this from Government of India also into their account. Now, if we tell the students, please pay us back, I don't think that's a very good thing to do, and I don't think they will agree. So we are also in a catch-22 situation where we are not able to pay in advance also, whereas we would desire to, because as I said, we don't know then how to get back that money. And we are in talks with Government of India to find a way in which, if Government of India does not release it on time, can we as a state government give it in advance, and the funds can be sent to us. So I'm working on both the options, and I would like to share with the student community that I'm working tirelessly to ensure that this issue is resolved. But in the meantime, as has been suggested by so many people, I am happy to announce, I've announced in my budget, that the students who are pursuing their courses in matriculate students in courses in post-matriculate that we will be giving an amount of 6,000 rupees to 80,000 students every year. Similarly, sir, CM Assure is another very important program